up, Backpack Kids? As you can see, I'm in my van. Actually stranded right now. Do I have money to fix my van at the moment? But we got some stuff from TikTok Shop, which is going to help us do more videos, more content stuff. And I got it from the TikTok Shop, so I'm going to be able to sell the stuff that I got. I'm going to show y'all what I got, and hopefully as we hustle, it makes money, right? Because the thing is, it was free, right? You know what I'm saying? Whatever you have that can be useful to other people to make you money, or you know, get food, that's the times we in right now, you know what I'm saying? Or if you're not having a hard time, if you ever, you know, if you're not having money problems right now, good for you. I'm trying to find my other phone. I also got a new cover too, because it's getting cold, so I'll be able to use that. I gotta put that on my bed. And I washed all my clothes at my father's house. They sent me some new pillows, so I got a whole new set, thank God. Yeah. Show y'all what I'm gonna put on my my back wall. Is this. This and this. So I'm probably gonna put that one on this one, and yeah, go from there. I want to let y'all know we in this together, man. If you haven't received food stamps, it's okay. We all hurting, but everything runs its course. As long as we wake up, nothing matters. As long as you wake up and say it's another beautiful day, and if you ain't smiling, you wildin'. That's the key, because if we didn't wake up, none of this will matter. You know what I'm saying? So from now on, we use what we need and don't get anything else. That's it. That's literally it. Don't get nothing else. Water, food, and whatever you can provide to somebody else, exchange energy with them. You know what I'm saying? Because it's going to be a time where you need their help. It's going to be a time where they need your help. So we have to work together. It's going back to how it used to be back in 2001 when, you know, in the 90s and the 80s, where everybody worked together and everybody helped each other. So there's no time for being negative. It's only time to move forward, so that way when it gets good again, you find out who was there when you was down, because when you up, and everybody up again. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. It is hot. I am sweating. I don't know if y'all can tell. Oof. Oh, I got some new shoes off TikTok. They sent me those. But like I said, listen guys, please hustle. Simba. Simba over here tripping. I see a rabbit just Simba. Simba, come over here. Simba. I don't know where he at. Simba. Simba's tripping. He about to go in a cage. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, I'm gonna be right back. So I found Simba, guys. But yeah, so we're gonna do this together, Backpack Kids, or if you came from Yet Again TV. If you're not going through anything, understand that stuff is going on in the world, and I'm just letting you know what's happening. You know what I'm saying? Backpack Kids, this is what we live for. We don't live for the good times. The reason why we made Backpack Kids, because it doesn't matter if we're going through something, whether we're living on the streets or we're living in a penthouse, we still gonna act the same. So this is our time to shine, to show the world that Backpack Kids unite, and It's another beautiful day. That's our motto. And if you ain't smiling, you wildin'. You feel me? I'm about to make up my bed and fold up my clothes. Cause what I learned in these bad times, you have to be able. My pops always tell me to tighten up, and you will forget sometimes because so much stuff is going on, and you want to have your head clear. You can't have your head clear if it's messy how it is at the moment. You know what I'm saying? So we about to clean up the van so our brain can stand. You feel me? You will. Listen, yeah, I'm excited, guys. This is a time that the world needs us. So if you already a backpack kid, if you just came to the Backpack Kid channel, welcome to the channel. And yeah, let's go. All right, so the goal is, right, I don't have financial advice, but what I understand, a lot of people makes money off TikTok. I haven't made as much money if I made, even in my 6.4 million followers, 3 million followers, I haven't made that much. But there's a lot of people that don't have just 5,000 followers, and it's making a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? So if you can crack that code and make more than what I've made and make more than what other people have made, do it. Get your account to 1,000 to 5,000 followers and try to make money off that. The biggest thing, right? I haven't made money, but y'all see, look at this. Look how bad this is. You know what I'm saying? I don't sleep on this. I have a cover to go in there. So I had these for a long time. So they sent me 2 of these, which I do have to review. And yeah, I'm about to put the new ones on. So even though I didn't make money, I still was able to get this as a sample so I can sell it. But the biggest thing, I got it for free. Let's go. Hey, if you have anything far as Backpack Kiddish that any insights, what did you do when you was homeless? What did you do when you didn't have food? You know, give me some comments. Like, you know what I'm saying? We have to work together. If you don't have a family, here's your family. You know what I'm saying? Type your name, where y'all from, what state y'all in, what country y'all in. I know I got a lot of people that's out the country, especially Thailand. Yeah. I saw this online. You take this for the frame. Alright, bet. It look straight, y'all? Do it one more time. Yeah, it's hot in here, y'all. Let's poke this right here real quick. What they did was put that down like that. Hopefully you don't in my hand. No. Ah. Damn it. It's hot. It's hot, y'all. Hold on. Okay, we getting closer, y'all. I don't have a hammer, so don't say nothing. Over that way, let's see. Ooh. That's how you know I'm not a handyman, y'all. But we gonna learn today, boy. Ah, fuck. Hold on, y'all. Put that back in there. No! You know what we might go to the store and get that I didn't want to? Is them, I ain't gonna lie, I'm probably gonna end up getting.
Hey, I wanna be with, I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still love me? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing.